Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from arithmetic progressions. Okay, the question is the eighth term of an AP is half of its second term. So let us write eighth term. Eighth term is half of its second term. So eighth term means what you can write a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 8 here, n minus 1 is 7, d is equals to what it is given, half of its second term. So half of its second term, again a plus n is 2, 2 minus 1 1, so d. Okay, now simplify this, bring 2 this side. 2 into a plus 7d is equals to a plus d, which implies 2a plus 14d. Bring a plus d also this side. Minus a minus d equals to 0. So 2a minus a 14d minus d, that is plus 13d equals to 0, which implies a can be written as minus 13d. Put this aside. One more is given. What is that? The 11th term exceeds 11th term. 11th term exceeds one third of its fourth term by 1. One third of its fourth term by 1. Exceeds means what? More than. Means plus you have to take. So 11th term. A plus n is 11 here. N minus 1. 11 minus 1. 10. D is equals to one third of its fourth term. One third of its fourth term. A plus n is 4 here. 4 minus 1. 3. So 3D. And one third of its fourth term exceeds by 1. Exceeds means more than by 1. So plus 1. Now a plus 10d equals to this, what you will get, a plus 3d plus 3 whole by 3. Bring this 3 to other side. 3a plus, here it is dividing, so the other side it multiplies. So 3a plus 30d equals to a plus 3d plus 3. Bring a plus 3d to other side. 3a plus 30d minus a minus 3d equals to 3. 3a minus a is 2a plus 30 minus 3 plus 27d equal to 3. Now substitute a equals to minus 13d in the above equation. So 2 into minus 13d plus 27d equal to 3. This 13 2s are 26. Minus 26d plus 27d equal to 3. Minus 26 plus 27 is plus 1. So plus 1d equals to 3. Therefore d is equals to 3. Now we have to find the, here they asked to find 15th term. So we have to find even the first term, that is a. So what is given, what we got, d equals to 3, but a equals to minus 13d. So a equal to minus 13 into what is 3, d 3. Therefore a is equals to minus 39. Now they ask you to find the 15th term. 15th term, which is equals to a plus 15 minus 1 into d equals to a plus 14d is equals to a is minus 39 plus 14 into d is 3. So minus 39, 14 3 is a 42, which is equals to 42 minus 39 plus 42. What you will get? 3 plus 3. Okay. Therefore, 15th term equal to is 3. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.